Have you ever noticed how people still buy salt, petrol, or life-saving medicine even when prices go up? But if the price of a luxury handbag rises slightly, buyers vanish? This mysterious behavior is explained by one of the most fascinating tools in economics: elasticity of demand and supply. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, your home for simplified whiteboard economics. This is episode 5 in our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, and today we'll answer: what is elasticity? Why don't prices always change how much people buy or sell? And how do businesses and governments use this concept every day? Don't forget, the full economics playlist is linked below in the description. Let's start with the definition. What is elasticity? Elasticity in economics measures how sensitive demand or supply is to changes in price. Think of it like a rubber band. The more it stretches, the more elastic. The stiffer it is, the more inelastic. Price elasticity of demand, PUT. P tells us how much quantity demanded changes when price changes. High elasticity, a small change in price causes a big change in demand. Example: smartphones, clothes during sales, restaurant meals. If prices rise, people can easily switch or wait. Low elasticity, even big changes in price cause only a small change in demand. Example: petrol, insulin, salt. No matter the price, people still need it. Price elasticity of supply, PES. PES tells us how much quantity supplied changes when price changes. If a producer can quickly ramp up production, supply is elastic. Example: t-shirts or handmade soaps. But if it's hard to increase production quickly, supply is inelastic. Example: real estate, airline seats, oil. Why is elasticity important? Businesses use it to set prices. If demand is inelastic, they can raise prices without losing many customers. Governments use it to tax products. Ever wonder why petrol and cigarettes are heavily taxed? Because people still buy them, they're inelastic. Policymakers use elasticity to predict the impact of price controls or subsidies. Famous quote: "Elasticity tells us how much the economic world stretches in response to price changes." Anonymous econ professor, but true. Elasticity helps us go beyond the basic demand-supply curves and understand how people really behave in the real world. Quick recap: elastic demand-supply equals responsive to price. Inelastic, less responsive to price. Knowing elasticity helps you make smarter decisions as a consumer, business owner, or policymaker. What's coming next? In the next lesson, we'll dive into production, cost, and revenue analysis, how businesses decide what to produce and at what price. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and follow our full economics playlist linked below. This is the Learning Studio, where whiteboard animation meets real-world economics. See you.